Welcome to GGH's installation guide for commercial center locks. This guide covers both storefront and classroom locks, providing a secure solution for commercial applications. For storeroom locks, the external lever remains fixed to create the most secure functionality, and an additional latch bolt securely locks the main latch bolt, preventing tampering. Storeroom locks are often used with electric strikes. For classroom locks, the latch bolt is operated from either side using a lever, unless the outside lever is locked with a key. The interior lever on all lock functions is always operational to comply with fire egress bylaws. Begin by cutting the glass door according to the glass fabrication instructions. Ensure the same size cutout on both sides of the glass door for proper alignment. Remove the decorative covers from the lock cases. Use a 3 by 16-inch Allen wrench to separate the internal and external lock cases. Insert the lock cases into the glass door or fixed panel and align the top and bottom center lines with the cutout. Secure the lock cases using set bolts for a precise fit. Later, remove protective layer from adhesive tape and stick the decorated covers on the lock case. Let's start by preparing the lock body for the appropriate door swing, based on either a right-hand or a left-hand swing. Remove the faceplate from the lock body using a Phillips head screwdriver. Adjust the latch bolt orientation to match the door's closing direction. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the latch bolt groove, pry it outwards, and rotate it 180 degrees. Place the lock body into the door pocket, ensuring it aligns properly with the door opening, and tighten the screws to secure it. Insert the spindle into the lock body hub and fasten the lever using the appropriate screws and washers for your door thickness. Ensure the directional spring box is aligned according to the chosen lock configuration. Slide the cylinder through the collar, thread it into the lock body, and tighten the set screw, found at the strike site above the latch bolt. Finally, test the lock with the keys to confirm smooth and reliable operation. Attach the decorative faceplate and tighten the screws for a polished finish. Repeat steps 1 to 8 to install the lock keeper on the second glass door. With GGH's commercial center locks, you get secure, reliable, and professionally installed solutions for any commercial setting. Visit our website to explore more products and installation guides.